We're gonna try some of this.
Is that you try?
Yeah, sure. What do you want to get? So like fried chicken intestine, and then we got fried chicken pieces. We got like a pepper in a spring roll.
What's that? Of the chicken.
Okay, let's give this one a go. So we got the butter chicken, and we got the yeah, I'm gonna go for these ones. Chicken butt. That's quite tasty. It's like a chicken nugget, but like with a coating that you'd have on fried chicken. Give the fried intestines, fried and battered intestines, almost like intestine tempura. Oh, this is what they call dynamite. So it's almost like a spring roll, but inside it is a chili pepper. Thank you. Wow, so we've got some of this sauce on top. Mmm. Oh yeah. That is good. You get a little bit of a kick with the chili, a little bit of sort of fruitiness. The sauce gives that like a real sweet tang. Then you got the crispy, oily casing that's like kind of like a spring roll. And the most famous Filipino street food, balut.
Balut po, balut. Yan.
Si Wesley
Kaya na nagsuka po yun.
Alice and Sheila ko.
Sarap ang suka.
Paano niyo po nakilala ang mga ko? Boyfriend ko po si Wesley ko. Yes po.
Therefore, malapit ka kay Alice ko. I think malapit ka.
Sakay?
Napunta rin sa Singapore.